Good morning. This is method 5 triple integration. Evaluate integral x equals to 0 to 1, integral y equals to 1 to 2, integral z equals to 1 to 3 x y squared z dx dy dz. We have to integrate the function x y squared z with respect to x, with respect to y, with respect to z. So with respect to three variables we have to integrate. So that's why we are calling it as a triple integration. So here the limits are, observe the limits are given directly. This is x limits, this one is y limits, this one is z limits. So observe whether x limits are constant limits or variable limits. 0 to 1 is a constant limit, 1 to 2 constant limits, 1 to 3 constant limits. Limits are constant limits and they mention directly. So we can find the integration. So constant limits, so you can first integrate with respect to x, or you can integrate with respect to y, or you can first integrate with respect to z. Anyone you can follow, because since the limits are given constant limits. So first I am going to integrate the order. First z is there, so I am going to integrate with respect to z. X equals to 0 to 1, y equals to 1 to 2. I am going to integrate with respect to z. Integral z equals to 1 to 3 x y square z into dz into dx dy. When we are going to integrate with respect to z, this is multiple terms. So xy square is a constant. We can write front. Integral x equals to 0 to 1. Integral y equals to 1 to 2. Xy square is constant. Integral z equals to 1 to 3 z into dz into dx dy. From xy square z we can take xy square outside. So we are taking, this is a constant, we are taking to outside. Now integral of z means z square. Integral x equals to 0 to 1. Integral y equals to 1 to 2 xy square. Integral of z means z square by 2. Limits z equals to 1 to 3 dx dy. This equals to integral x equals to 0 to 1. Integral y equals to 1 to 2. 1 by 2 is constant. You can write front. Xy square. Substitute upper limit 3 square 9 minus 1 square 1 dx dy. This equals to 1 by 2. Integral x equals to 0 to 1. Now 9 minus 1 is 8. You can write 8 front into 8 xy square. Integral y equals to 1 to 2 xy square into dx dy. Now I am going to integrate with respect to y. 8 by 2 4. Integral x equals to 0 to 1. Integral y equals to 1 to 2. From xy square with respect to y we are going to integrate. So x is constant, you can write front. Y square into dy into dx. This equals to 4. Integral x equals to 0 to 1 x. Integral of y square means y cube by 3. Y equals to 1 to 2 dx. 4 integral 4 1 by 3 is constant, you can write front. Integral x equals to 0 to 1 x into upper limit 2 cube. 2 cube means 8 minus 1 cube means 1 into dx. This equals to 8 minus 1 7. 8 minus 1 7. 28 by 3. 7 7 4 is 28. 28 by 3. X equals to 0 to 1. Integral of x into dx. 28 by 3. Integral of x means x square by 2. Limits 0 to 1. So 28 by 3 into 1 by 2. Substitute upper limit minus lower limit. 2 14s are 14 by 3. Answer is 14 by 3. Like this we have to integrate when the limits are given directly and which are constant limits. And next problem. Evaluate integral x equals to 0 to 1, integral y equals to 1 to 2, integral z equals to 2 to 3, x square plus y square plus z square into dx dy dz. Here also limits are given directly. So integral x equals to 0 to 1 and they are constant limits also, y equals to 1 to 2. Now I am going to first integrate with respect to z. So integral z equals to 2 to 3 x square plus y square plus z square into dz into dx dy. So now we are going to integrate with respect to z. So take outside x and y are constant, so you can take, I said that we can take x y variables, we can take outside, but here from this function, previous function is x y square z, this is product of the variables, this is addition of the variables. So here you can take x y square outside, but here addition of the terms, from the addition of the terms you can't take separately, x square plus y square you can't write outside. So integral x, you have to treat this as single function, x equals to 0, single variable, x equals to 0 to 1, y equals to 1 to 2. So x square into z plus y square into z. So if you split the integration, integral of x square into dz plus integral of y square into, this is because this is addition, so you can split the integration, integral of x square into dz. So integral of y square into dz, integral of z square into dz, integral of x square into dz. Now x square is constant, we get integral of dz. So if you don't confuse, I write one more time. Integral x equals to 0 to 1, integral y equals to 1 to 2. Now I am splitting the integration, integral z equals to 2 to 3 x square dz plus integral z equals to 2 to 3 y square into dz plus integral z equals to 2 to 3 z square into dz. Only I am integrating with respect to z only, but this is addition, so I am just splitting the integration. Integral x equals to 0 to 1, integral y equals to 1 to 2. See, integral x square z. Now here I am going to integrate with respect to z. X square is constant, so x square constant, integral of z means z, limits 2 to 3 plus y square. Here also y square constant, integral of dz means z, limits 2 to 3. Integral of z square means z cube by 3, limits 2 to 3 into dx dy. Integral x equals to 0 to 1, integral y equals to 1 to 2. So x square, substitute upper limit 3 minus 2 plus y square into 3 minus 2 plus 1 by 3 into 3 cube 27 minus 2 cube 8 into dx dy. This equals to integral x equals to 0 to 1, integral y equals to 1 to 2 x square plus y square plus 27 minus 8 19 by 3 into dx dy. Now I am going to integrate with respect to y. Here also we can't split this, we can separate. So integral of y equals to 1 to 2 x square into dy plus integral of y equals to 1 to 2 y square into dy plus integral y equals to 1 to 2 19 by 3 into dy into dx. Now from this step I am going to integrate this with respect to y. So integral of this, I am splitting the integration with respect to y. So integral x equals to 0 to 1, x with the integral of x square into dy with respect to y I am going to integrate. So x square is constant, integral of dy means y, limits 1 to 2 plus integral of y square dy means y cube by 3, limits 1 to 2 plus 19 by 3 is constant, y equals to 1 to 2 into dx. Okay, now integral of x equals to 0 to 1 x square into, substitute upper limit minus lower limit, 1 by 3 2 cube 8 minus 1 plus 19 by 3 into 2 minus 1 into dx. Integral of x equals to 0 to 1 x square plus 7 by 3 plus 19 by 3 into dx. Now just these two are constants. You can just add this x square plus 19 plus 7, 26 by 3 into dx. Now integrate with respect to x. Integral of x square, split the integration, x square into dx plus integral x equals to 0 to 126 by 3 into dx. Integral of x square means x cube by 3, limits x equals to 0 to 1 plus 26 by 3 into integral, 26 by 3 is constant, integral of dx means x equals to 0 to 1. 1 by 3 into 1 minus 0 plus 26 by 3 into 1 minus 0. 1 by 3 plus 26 by 3. 27 by 3. So his answer is 9. So these are triple integration when limits are given directly.